Should you buy the Moderna stock right now or not? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on my channel. And in the previous video, we talked about all about the Moderna stock, what are the stats, what is the market value, what is the dividend yield, PE ratio, market volume and 52-week high, 52-week low. I explained all of that. In this video, I'll be giving you two reasons of what I think when I am investing into the stock. So now let's dive into that. So again guys, I use Robinhood for that and I am opening the Robinhood app right now and I will be telling you exactly what are my reasons for that. The number one reason for doing that is if you go into the Robinhood app, there's analyst ratings here. So as you can see here, these are some analyst ratings. So these basically tells you these are 19 analysts who are professionals who will tell you basically whether you should be buying the stock right now or not. They are just giving you an option. And as you can see right now, 53% of them are saying that you should buy the stock right now and 47% of them are saying that you should hold the stock right now. So these two are the this is one of the reasons which I look into the stock when I'm investing into that. And another reason is if you look at the price of Moderna right now, which is 194.27, if you see it is 194.27, and if you see the 1 year return will be 16.87%. as you can see here, 1 year return is 16.87%, and if you hold it for 5 years guys, if you hold it for 5 years, you'll be getting 783% of returns in the next 5 years, as you can see right here. So I think these are basically the two main reasons which I'm investing into the Moderna stock right now. And I have not invested heavily, just a small amount of money into Moderna because I just graduated from UCI, so currently not that much into the stock market, but I have started my own journey, so doing all sorts of research, investing in the stock market and bringing information to you guys which you might feel useful. And basically these were all the two reasons. And in the next video I'll be talking about the elephant in the room, which is Amazon stock right now. Amazon stock is a huge gain right now if you are investing into that. And let's talk about Amazon in the next video. I really hope you like the video, and इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.